guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this blue eyeshadow makeup look. So if you like this look, then keep watching for the rest of the video. So I started off by doing my brows off camera, and then I'm using the Benefit the Pore Fessional Face Primer, and I'm just using this to prime my skin. This is a really good primer if you want a matte look. I have oily combo skin, so I find this primer really does create that matte base. And then to color correct, I'm just going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Orange, and I'm just putting this on the darker areas of my face, which tend to be under my eyes and around my mouth. And for foundation, I'm using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in the shade Macao, and I'm just going to blend this all over my face. To conceal, I'm using the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. This is in the shade Amande, and yeah, I'm just going to use this for my highlight. To blend out my highlight, I'm using my Raw Techniques brush. Oh, I can't remember the name of this brush, guys, but I will list the name in the description box. And to set my face, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm using my Raw Techniques Beauty Blender to apply the setting powder. Now for the eyeshadow look, I'm using the Patricia Bright eyeshadow palette. This is the Rich in Color palette, and I'm literally just playing with it, guys. I have no idea. So I started off using the color Fruit Punch, which is this bright pink. It's gorgeous, bright pink color, and I'm just going to blend this into my crease. And then I'm taking the color Nobu, and this is this sort of navy color, and I'm going to blend this into my outer corner and also into my crease. And for my lid, I'm using the color Ocean Deep, and this color, guys, this color surprised me. This is so pigmented. The color is so vibrant. It's actually such a beautiful blue color. So I was really shocked when I put this on, but I mean, yeah, this palette is just rich in color. The name says it all. So yeah, I'm putting Ocean Deep all over my lid, and it just looks amazing. And then I'm going to do my eyeliner, and I'm using the NYX matte liquid light NYX matte liquid eyeliner to do this. I'm stuttering, guys. And I'm just going to do a little wing. And then I'm using the Maybelline Snapscara for my lashes. I'm just getting my lashes ready so that when I apply my falsies, they stick on easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye off camera, and here it is. So then I'm just gonna do my lashes again. So I'm setting my highlight now, and I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. This is in the shade NW46. I will list all shades in the description box. And then I'm using the Patricia Bright Face Palette, and I'm just going to use the bronzer and the blush from this palette. So I'm just bronzing my face. I find it easier to just do a bronze, guys, rather than do a contour. It takes less time, and it's just, you know, I think it's just, I prefer a bronze because it's subtle. It's not too, you know, you can't go wrong with a bronze. And then I'm using the blusher just to add a pop of color onto my cheeks. So now I'm using the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer, and I'm actually using this to do it again, a subtle highlight. I love this bronzer, guys. I think this cost me about £3 and it's so good. I hardly use anything else, to be honest. And onto lips, and I'm using the MAC Chestnut lip liner to line my lips. And then I'm going on top with the NYX Buttergloss. This is in the shade Madeleine. And to complete the look, I'm using the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray, and I'm just gonna spray this all over my face to set my makeup, and ta-da, that's it, guys. So here's the completed look. Let me know what you think in the comments section, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.